Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless ignition, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3. Take a ride in the 2023 Rio 5-Door. The Kia Rio 5-door vehicle is a compact hatchback with a newly designed and improved interior. The Rio 5-door also comes with an improved technology package that features its tablet-like touchscreen and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, mud guards, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, front wheel drive. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.